Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching it from. Yeah, in this video, we'll be using chain stroke substitution method to solve two examples. But before we do that, can we just pray? Use 2 seconds. Pray to our God for retentive memory and more understanding. We are in prayers. Amen. Yeah. Love you guys. Okay. Before I solve these two questions, if today is your first time of meeting me here, go to Google and type raindrop maths. I am the raindrop maths itself. Yeah. You will see a lot of solved mathematical problems. Not only solved mathematical problems, you also see comprehensive lecture notes on mathematics. So please, if you are the type preparing for WAEC, JAMB, ND, HND, BSc, MSc, up to PhD, don't play with this website. Yeah, go there, you will see a lot of solved mathematical problems and also comprehensive mathematics lecture notes. Please recommend this video to your friends so that they will learn as well. Okay, then you can also meet me on Facebook. I still have a page, Raindrop Maths page. We talk about only mathematics. If you have any challenge there, you can snap and send it, and I'll do a video like this for you. Put it on my YouTube for you to watch and understand it better. Okay, now here we have two problems. They said use a function of a function to find the derivative of I, y equals to x raised to the power of 5 plus x squared plus 2 close bracket raised to the power 7 y equals to sine open bracket s raised to the power 3 plus 3s plus 5. It's simple as ABC. Yeah, you know, let us write solution. Let's consider the I. Amen. The I, y is equals to, okay, you know, in calculus, when we say use function of a function to find the derivative, what do we mean by derivative? Amen. The derivative, that is the dependent variable and the independent variable. The dependent variable is y, independent variable here is x. That is, they are telling you to find the derivative means the y all over the x. Because not necessarily you will see they will say find the y all over the x. No. Sometimes they will say just given a function find the derivative. So that is what they are telling you. Although it depends on the dependent and independent variable. Okay? Yeah. So now they said that we should use function of a function. Function of a function also the same thing as chain rules to substitution. Please take note. Whenever you are asked to use function of a function, it's the same thing as chain rule. So please don't forget. Take note. But ordinarily, if I want to differentiate this without using function of a function, I can differentiate it this way. That is a very quick way, assuming you come across objective question. What you will first do, differentiate what is here. You differentiate what is here. This is 7. You hold the bracket constant. Sorry, x raised to the powers of 2 plus 2, then raised to the powers of 7 minus 1, 6. Then you now come back to this bracket, then differentiate what is inside the bracket. That is, if you differentiate what is inside here, it means you have 5x raised to the power 4 plus 2x. This will be your answer without using function of a function. That is, without using chain rules to substitution. But if we want to use chain rule, it will take us some time. But this one does not take you time to arrive at the answer. Okay? So let us just write down the answer, whether we will arrive at this answer. Amen. Okay? Raised to the power 6, 5x raised to the power. Yeah. Okay. So let us use. So function of a function to substitution means we will let any alphabet be equals to what is inside the bracket. So we now write let either p be equals to x raised to the power 5 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 2. Yes, so this implies that your y, since you said let p be equals to this, your y will now be p raised to the powers of 7. True or false? So if we differentiate the p all over the x, because we are differentiating this p with respect to x, because now the p is the dependent variable, now x is independent variable. True or false? Okay, so if we differentiate this, we are going to have 5x raised to the power 4, amen, plus 2x. This is a constant, it gives you 0. Then we will differentiate this with respect to p. This is the dependent variable, this is the independent variable, the p. So if we differentiate the y all over the p, we're going to give us what? 7p raised to the powers of 6. So now you can now see that chain rule stroke substitution, that is function of a function, is you that form the formula. How? It implies that your dy all over the x, because since you are asked to find dy all over the x, is the product of this and this. Is that clear? Dy all over the p times the p all over the x. Amen? So our dy all over the x will now be equals to, what is our dy all over the p? Is this 7p raised to the power of 6 times the p all over the x. This is 5x raised to the power 4 plus 2x, true or false? But note that your p, amen? Okay? Note that p is equals to x raised to the power 5 plus x squared plus 2. So anywhere you see p, you substitute in for this. So finally our dy all over the x will now be equals to 7 open bracket, your p is what? This x raised to the power of 5 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 2 close bracket raised to the power what? P raised to the power what? 6. Then times this 5x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x. As simple as ABC. This is the final answer to this I. So now let us consider II. Let's consider II. Amen. II. Let's solve it. Y. Right solution. Y is equals to, amen, sine open bracket x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 5. Okay. I will also apply substitution here, then that will lead us to what? Chain rule. So we'll now say any alphabet, let u be equals to x raised to the power 3 plus 3x plus 5. So let us differentiate this function with respect to x. it implies that the u all over the x will going to give us what? 3x squared plus, if you differentiate 3x, we're going to give you 3. If you differentiate 5, which is constant, it's going to give you 0. Then this implies that your y is equals to what? Sine. You said let u be equals to this, so sine u. Then differentiate this function with respect to u. If you do that, our dy all over du will now be equals to, if you differentiate sine u, going to give you cos u. Amen. So now your chain rule will now be the product of this and this. So therefore our dy all over the x will now be equals to dy all over the u dot du all over the x, which is equals to, what is our dy all over the x, which is cos u times du all over the x is what? 3x squared plus 3. Then our u is what? Equals to this. So far so good. Therefore the final answer, note that u is equals to, amen, x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 5. True or false? So therefore our dy all over the x will now be equals to cos, open bracket, x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x plus 5, close bracket, times this one, because your u is this. So times this one, 3x squared plus 3. Amen. This is the final answer, and this is how you are going to solve this type of problem. If there should be any question, please don't hesitate to DM me, drop it on the comment section. I'll look at it and give you the feedback. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to share this video. Make sure you share this. This is an assignment to someone that is looking for this solution. Share this video with him. Try and help a friend. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.